So hello guys, I do welcome you to the new video of the properties of water. So in today's video we're looking into several remaining properties of water. In the last video we did looked upon the hydrogen bonding, like this is the hydrogen bonding, and due to the hydrogen bonding the cohesive force and adhesive force of attraction and repulsion. So I do hope that you've watched that video. In today's video looking into the high specific heat capacity of water, this property. So what do I mean to say by this is, first of all you need to understand what heat capacity is and what specific heat capacity is. Then we're looking into specific heat capacity of water. So heat capacity heat capacity. So amount of heat required to increase one degree centigrade of any substance is called its heat capacity. Okay, so the amount of energy required to increase 1 degree centigrade temperature of any substance, that is termed as heat capacity. Let me tell you the specific heat capacity and looking into the difference between the both. Specific heat capacity. So let me copy this from here to here, control C, and I'll be making some very less changes into it. Amount of heat required to increase 1 degree centigrade of a specific substance. See how easy it is. Specific substance, for suppose water. What is a specific substance is called its heat capacity, not specific heat capacity. So like I've given you a compound, like I've just taken a thing like this is something I just given you, and this is X. I don't know what this is. I just say you that heat it up and tell me the amount of energy required to increase it 1 degree centigrade temperature, and I don't know what the substance is. So that would be the heat capacity of the substance. If I say you like uh, here I've got uh, a water glass. This is a water glass and it's filled till here. Water is filled in it. Now what do I say to you is this, tell me the heat or the energy required to increase 1 degree centigrade temperature of this water. So that is something specific, and I do know what I'm asking about. This is specific heat capacity. So I do hope that you've cleared the difference between the both. So what is the thing is, the water is having a specific heat capacity. Like water needs a large amount of energy to increase its 1 degree centigrade temperature. So water requires 1 degree centigrade temperature up, requires around 1 calorie of energy. 1 calorie 1 calorie and that is equal to 4.18 joules. 4.18 joules. Okay, so we can say that this is some kind of high energy required as we compare it from the other liquids. So it is having a specific heat capacity higher as compared to the one which we do compare, uh, like petrol or something other. So that is having low specific heat of capacity, and that is having some sort of benefits as well, like uh, that uh, that this is the reason why water works at a temperature you know, stabling the temperature, like you've seen that we are uh, you know, we are putting water on our faces when we are having fever. So the reason behind that is water will absorb you know, a high amount of energy, and you know, that is providing a cooling effect, right? So that in this way also it protects the protoplasm against the thermal changes. So this is like we have seen in car radiators we are putting water. So this is the actually reason, like water is having a high specific heat capacity, like it just increase 1 degree of its temperature after a long input of energy. So I do hope that you got cleared about this property as well. In the next video we're looking into the specific heat of vaporization, high specific heat of vaporization of water. So meet you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.